What's this is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. And I have some special news for you since it is now, I just gonna call it say summer right now. And I'm going to be doing 5 videos for a week. I know it's unheard of. You've never gotten something like this on the channel. But I'll tell you a little bit more about it towards the end of the countdown. So let's get into it. Number 10, equal stammer. So, I'm sure you guys know about the whole equal rights drama with Ishawna and boy oh boy, just when you think it done, this gentleman had some words for Miss Legendary herself.
You know, so I'm going to attack you on something. You understand? Listen, what kind of dirty song that you sing out of your dirty, filthy mouth? You understand?
Oh, you're so confident to say dirty, filthy mouth when...
Yes, Ishawna a good artist and we can
you woo woo woo? Can you woo woo woo?
Somebody children out there, especially boy pitney.
Don't even look like a little Lauren Hill under construction. Number 9, TANTO train. So last week I showed you a video of a lady called Allison that was bored in a train and she did well excited. You remember it?
She is in a train and all of y'all watching me in this train, y'all take a good look. One day y'all will be in the train.
And you know what is the interesting thing? In the last uncut version of the video, I did actually mention say it would be a cool idea if she and TANTO Blacks link up, but I did edit out the part in the final video. And to my backfoot surprise, a week later TANTO came out with this video.
People sit there, trainer man. The trainer man. Going to the terminal, what's that? Rich! See that reach the terminal, That's rich. That's...
Can you backfoot imagine if the two of them go on a world tour together?
Now I'm at the train station and I'm waiting on the train to step in the train and go.
Number 8, Crawford woke. Me backfoot. So Damian Crawford, you know him as a very vibrant, very outspoken, opinionated MP. Him basically is like the layman's savior. Him just find a way to bring some good articulate message with a grassroots sort of connection. Kinda like Sister P with... Yeah, I'm gonna say that. Recently, this video surfaced showing the politician speaking to a group about poverty and rich versus poor.
Have you ever seen a rich, violent community? You ever see Jackson say we have a war with our group? You ever see a place where in a war rich? So how come you don't ask yourself, why is it that no rich community is at war and no warring community is rich? You never ask yourself that. Because the poor love to bad mind the rich and they're not studying them. If I want to run fast, I go watch Bolt and try them style. If I want rich, I go watch rich people and try them style. But the poor now watch rich people and try them style. Them I watch rich things and try to get it. But them now watch the style.
And now check out the random video of the week. Number 7, Heavenly Clouds. I wanna make heaven my home. I don't wanna labor in vain. Yeah, enough people don't know them song there. So just the other day, some mysterious occurrence happened into the Boxfoot Clouds, and the residents in this particular area had a lot to say.
Me can't believe it just get wider, they open up. I see it.
That's a blessing. Somebody die growing up.
Yeah, somebody die go up. Somebody die go up. May I tell you that?
See, you turn up 5 now, right? Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You can't tell them otherwise, you know?
Hang up.
And then come outside now, look up in the sky. See their clothes. They gone. Heavenly clothes, man. Jesus, deliver me.
Glory.
Who could it be but God?
That's a soul.
No girl, R&B. Number 6, Bad Papa. So before we even play this Boxfoot video, I just have to ask, who for grandfather this?
We see about woman that you have no nurse him a bum.
Yeah.
See him the judgment on them.
Yeah. I say work it.
Wait, what?
You see the diagram?
Yeah.
You don't take the whole life and I must...
No. Me never just hear that.
Certain one time come out of your thing to walk and kill.
Before I can take all every tip. Tilt. That's enough for the baby walk and...
When that guy say, hello baby, come here, and say, other 5 years, I can come back.
Number 5, fresh man goes. I basically don't know what this brother here I go through, but him do not her want no Jamaican man round him girl.
When girls get tired of their man, they book a flight to Jamaica, yeah? And then 3 months later, she's on a beach with a yardie man, with cane rolls this long, fam. Cane rolls up to here, fam, yeah? And man's giving your girl the willy all day, bruv.
Really?
When your girl comes back, she'll be a different woman, bruv. And man didn't take her shopping, man didn't take her dinner, man just gave her fresh mangoes and willy, bruv. Fresh mangoes and willy.
Everybody be a do the willy bombs.
Asa, him never just say fresh mangoes and willy. But done. Number 4, bold statue.
Now that pipe gotta run it like she Usain, baby.
So, from the other day, this has been causing a lot of hard controversy because Babsy Green should basically order say, you know, them build a statue for honor the great legendary Mr. Triple Treble, Usain St. Leo Bold. And the statue was created by a sculptor by the name of, hold on, I forget it, Basil Watkins, and apparently they cost like $52 million. And people don't like what the statue look like, and them say it don't look like Usain Bolt, but Olivia Babsy Green, she confident said favor him, so... Yeah, comment down below, readers. More hear what I have to say. It favor him or not. On the low though, some people say it look like Sam Sharp. And now it is time for the big up segment! Woo! So first I have to say big up to King Tavi. Welcome back for his successful release of the video called Alkaline.
Man a pre-pump, you back when the courage drop it off impact.
Also I have to say big up to Shenseea on signing a contract with Pepsi. My girl have 2 contracts now, you know, Flo and Pepsi. Ramisha work. Also, I have to say big up to Mrs. Pineapple for the Zoom Die on signing a record deal with One Nation Records. And to box cover, I hear about this brand new song that is called Pan Me Head. I'm not gonna lie, the song sound well groovy.
Yeah, baby.
Good body, good brain, you know see now.
Sit down in a Songwriter for 3 miles. Why your waist, girl, me have 3 spine. You know when no one you want to beg me rewind. Pan me head, me not like man who soft in a bed.
Artists featured on the song are Tiana, the dancehall princess, dancehall diva, and CR.Den. I'm sure when you realize that summertime right about now, and with a little song here, a couple of seasons, so you know so it fit right in the juggling.
Pan me head, good love make me ball on a bed. Like when you rough me up, boy, I want you. Me come from Ramprof Avenue. Twist me boy, turn me boy. Send me contort me in a W.
Jiggle your body, girl.
The coolest thing about the song is that I discovered that it was actually written by one of my former classmates, them nemesis, Mr. Joseph. Joseph lyric him call himself now. Much should I know say him turn big songwriter though. From here the little line, yeah.
The love get your philosophical Socrates.
How much dancehall artists really ever mention the word in one song?
Socrates.
You goodly ask them and them things say it's a football t-shirt line. Anyway, people, make sure that you check out the full song down below in the description. It is Tiana and CR.Den. The song is called Pan Me Head and it is written by Joey Lyric and produced by ASG Records. Follow all of them. Social media links down here, so right here, so yeah, so. Big up Miss Kitty's Bludge Drive, Nelson Mandela Park, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. Friday the 7th July 2017. The theme is Be a Hero, Save a Life. Make sure that you go, you roll out and you support. Number 3, No Doggy. Oh my god, people, this video was just so sad.
Stick him! Bite! Woof, woof! Stick him! Bite him! Did. The one. Correct.
Boy, so me tell you about them live wire in a water there. Honestly, the dog saved them life, you know. Number 2, Cops versus Alkaline. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So the police is outraged after the video of Alkaline's After All surfaced.
Me have couple dog, me know what that did for me.
That I say love, that I say loyalty.
So first up, the Commissioner of Police, Mr. George Qualo, he is alleged to have some issues with the representation of the guns in the video, and also for a scene in which a female officer gave Alkaline, what you call that, fellatio. So basically, according to the Observer, the police them has said that they won't be performing any duties in the future at any Alkaline concert because them kinda cut up about the whole portrayal of them in this After All music video. What are your thoughts, burritos? Comment below. Okay, so now check out this clip from Chungstar.
Say them one time to be army. You take y'all show me the punani. You be y'all tell me say them honey. Why me wet them up like tsunami, tsunami. Watch out now, get media so upload TV. Everywhere we go the y'all them just a freebie. CMR, DMR, make a link up. Dirty dirty take off the y'all them ding up.
And number one goes to Dancehall Kitty. No, Dancehall Queen Kitty. Why my voice I go? Dancehall Queen Kitty. Woo! Me know it's not. No, this make my cough lickle. That is not what Pamputated mean when she say. No man, I swear, this must be some sort of animal abuse. You can't imagine the poor kitty cat just there and I wonder what the hell it could have do to deserve all of this. I'm not gonna lie, she and the cat match out like Marvin the Beez and the Keisha though. Straight black and white settings.
Hold it down when you get the cat, you must hold it down. Get the cat. Attack it from the front, they tell me. Attack it from the back, attack it from the front, they tell me.
Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another DuttyBerry Top 10 social media countdown. Make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. May I look more followers, so tell your friends, your family, your loved ones, your uncle, your niece, every single body that you can imagine. Tell them about my channel so that they can subscribe. Also, to the people on the fan page, don't think say you must stay on the fan page alone. If you want to like my fan page, it is facebook.com/DuttyBerryShow, and follow me on Instagram as well at DuttyBerryShow, on Snapchat, Twitter at DuttyBerryShow. If you want to book me or promotion in the social media countdown, just email me DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next week.